In previous class, we discussed about the causes of rebellion of 1857. New laws and response to reforms were the very important cause of 1857's revolt. The British passed many laws to stop the practice of sati and to encourage the remarriages of widows. Promotion of English as a language was widely encouraged. The British allowed the Christian missionaries to function freely in its domain and even owned land and property. In 1850, a new law was passed to make conversion to Christianity easier. This law allowed an Indian Christians to inherit the property of his ancestors. So many Indians felt that the British were destroying their religion, social custom and traditional way of life. So this is a very big reason for the revolt of 1857. In May 1857, after 100 years of conquest and administration, the East India Company faced a massive rebellion that threatened the company's very presence in India. The rebellion began in the town of Meerut, and a large number of people from different sections of the society rose in rebellion. The rebellion is also known as India's first war of independence, as we already discussed earlier. The Indian Mutiny, the revolt of 1857, and also the Sepoy Mutiny. So this was the event of the rebellion of 1857. Now, a very important name of this rebellion was Mangal Pandey. He was a very big cause or factor for the rebellion of 1857. Let us know about him. On February 26, 1857, the 19th Bengal Native Infantry came to know about new cartridges which had a casing made of uh, cow and pig fat, which had to be bitten off by mouth. The cow being sacred to Hindus and the pig foreign to Muslims. Soldiers refused to use them. Soldiers refused to use them. Their colonial comforted them angrily with artillery and cavalry. But them accepted their demand to withdraw and artillery and cancel the next morning's parade. On March 29, 1857, at the Barakpur Parade Ground near Kolkata, 29-year-old Mangal Pandey of 34th BNI, angered by the recent action of the East India Company, declared that he would rebel against his commanders. So this was the thing why Mangal Pandey refused, or the soldiers refused to use the cartridges of made by cow and pig fat. When the adjutant Lieutenant Bagh came out to investigate the unrest, Pandey opened fire but hit his horse instead. General John Hassery came out to see him on the parade ground and later claimed that Mangal Pandey was in some kind of religious frenzy. He ordered Ishwari Prasad to arrest Mangal Pandey, but he refused. Ishwari Prasad was sentenced to death and hanged after failing to incite his commanders into an open and active rebellion. Mangal Pandey tried to take his own life. He only managed to wound himself. He was court martialed on April 6th and hanged on April 8th. So this was the story of Mangal Pandey, who was a very big, a very strong factor of rebellion of 1857 because he refused to use the cartridges of made of cow and pig fat. Now, in my next class, I will explain you all about outbreak of rebellion which held in Meerut. Okay, thank you.